A court on Friday directed Professor Stephen Kiama, whose appointment as the University of Nairobi Vice-Chancellor was revoked, not to interfere with its management and operations. Justice Maureen Onyango, of the Employment and Labour Relations Court, issued the order noting that issues raised by parties in the case must be canvassed before a decision on the legality of Professor Kiama's appointment is made. Professor Kiama's appointment took effect on January 6, but Education Cabinet Secretary George Magoha revoked it days later, saying the institution's council failed to allow a government consultation process that includes informing the president. Professor Magoha appointed Professor Isaac Morokumbek the acting VC, but that marked the beginning of a leadership dispute that has seen both the CS and Professor Kiama file cases in court. Professor Kiama filed a case challenging the CS's decision to revoke his appointment by the Public Service Commission, PSC. Through lawyer Fred Ngesha, he sought to have his appointment as VC recognized by all parties in the university. Following his suit, the court stayed Professor Magoha's decision pending the hearing and determination of the case. After this order was issued, however, the minister filed a case, asking the court to set it aside in order for Professor Mbek to run the university. In court Friday, Justice Onyango asked Professor Kiama to keep off until CS Magoha's case is heard on Thursday. Justice Onyango issued the order after lawyer Evans Monari, for the Minister and Attorney General, asked the court to clarify the January 20 order that suspended CS Magoha's decision to nominate Professor Mbek as acting VC. Last week, the judge suspended implementation of the letter appointing Professor Mbek, saying the PSC legally appointed Professor Kiama to head the university. Lawyers Ngesha and Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, who is representing the university, have opposed Mr. Monari's representation of the CS and Attorney General, arguing that he has not been legally appointed to represent the government in the leadership dispute.